Oh, I'm going with his song. Oh yeah, Bapolan. Go, Fabio. Oh, Fabio. Let's support the program with the cover of 20,000 naira.
Hello, listen. Colonel Udofia is a capital into the war. I nearly get more. I never get this son of preference to Gubanima. And no, I had a work at a song. The friendly Colonel that side. Colonel put now move and drop a crew. By Robert Hawk and yet I'm I get glass again so that I won't die zero. Colonel Udofia, you will come and support your brother that you've never known before here. Thank you very much, Elder Moore, sir. Yes, this is a man that has been helping a lot of the Bible. And you know, I will tell you, Today is a unique day. We are here to make this event a success. We are not here for many topics. We are ready time to talk after today's event because we want to raise funds. And fund is our subject matter. Success is our goal. So please, I want to do that at this point in time. I have to support with some of 4,000. There's money from here. 4,000. When they want to support, the other people want to support. I'm supporting him with 4,000.
We give what support. Family me ya go Etubom. Etubom Dr. It was personally good to me. Emma meeting I'm going to me. Etubom which I have been participating. But I'm very good at waiting. We give what my support. They go with you. So me support with the sum of 20,000.
The sum of 5,000 now.
Man, so for a year, we are not for us. You say one no. I can bring it. We got to work. The radio. I can bring it. We got to work.
Oh, so what?
Yeah.
We are not. Let the man support you with so 4,000 naira.
DJ Emma and Elder Okon seated together, honestly speaking. Thank you very much. And then I want to stimulate that Colonel Udofia can never miss this one.
I call him Saul. Okay, backward. Go, Fabio. Go, Fabio. I don't know what I'm coming from wonder. In terms of Otemi, I am going to name the JT. I know you've been very challenged for me to hold the mic. On behalf of the CMC gladiators, which, one house please. On behalf of the CMC gladiators of the Pews, that High Chief Dr. Etubum Samson, our patron, my non support before now, and that one is part one. This one is because my leaders about me, and I'm calling the message and the evidence, so I have to stand up and also support him. We supported the sum of a token of 10,000 naira. So I can fucking do it.
Elder Omosa.
In Africa, I have to do this way.
I'll support the program with 1,000 naira. Then I will give my the finest artists in Africa.
Yes,
if I never get the dog, I will
Unity, and everything that we did here, we did it on behalf of my chairman, and the man that brought us here. Our support, this blessed and everything, including Rosetta State and Unity, with 5,000. Thank you very much.
Beautiful woman, South, energy of the nation. Thank you so much, MC. You're doing great. Well, we're just starting. I just thought to remind us again that, I spoke from the beginning, and others followed suit. We're here to raise money to enable us give our president. Hello. To give our president a befitting farewell. What we've just done here, we've not concluded. That's why I asked the cultural people to hold on. Is he going around? That is round one. Because we're going to have a round two. Yeah, because I'm very certain that we all came here loaded. So that 5,000, 2,000, 20,000, God bless you. God increase and multiply you and the seed you've sown, but you sow more. The more you give is the more you get blessed, isn't it? So we're going to give more, and this is individual giving. Of course, we have our chapters here talking about our purpose particularly, The chapter's contribution is, they all know, we communicated that earlier. That will come separately. But now whatever we're giving individually, we also aware South are here. They will also announce what they have for us separately at South. Maybe Credab is also here because we sent a letter to them as well. We'll hear from Credab. So we want to see all of that done. Let's understand how this is going. It's individual contributions now, then the chapters will follow, then then like I said, South and Credab and all that will follow. One of the things I just told the MC, we also have, some of us may not have come with cash. Aquacross has a bank account with Union Bank. You can do a transfer here now. We'll have the account details. Phyllis, whom I asked to stand up, please stand up again, let them see you. Secretary Phyllis James Miss is here. You can approach her or approach me for the account details of Aquacross. You can do a transfer here and now if you don't have sufficient cash. So what's going on with round one? I've been giving, and I have given so much even today. But in the spirit of continued giving, I'm giving a further 5,000 naira here and now. Thank you very much.
Here for business. Already we know we are the planning committee, we've been contributing, and obviously I want to support the program with a sum of 2,000.
Next person.
Standing on the existing protocol, I want to appreciate the family and the gathering for recognizing the Akiscom.
The president of
Akiscom,
Prince,
as we are all aware, is at Etubum State. Yesterday we just marked our 35th anniversary. So I'm here representing in that particular capacity, and also to let everybody know that we have already as Akiscom have supported this particular family. Also, I'm a man of many parts. I'm also representing Unyiwe Senatorial District, where the departed Etubom was from. By His grace, we have also done that. And Etinan also, the president of Etinan in Lagos. So please, all our support we have already put in place. But in order to cover the envelope of all our support on the 3 chairs, I hereby make a support of 2,000 naira towards that particular thing.
Thank you very much, sir.
South. Energy of the nation. Energy of the nation. I'm here on behalf of the Aquacross Ikeja chapter. I'm a woman leader of Aquacross Ikeja chapter. So we have already made our donation and we have already supported the family. But on behalf of the house, I'm going to support 1,000 naira. Thank you.
Aqua, beautiful women. I have to give the kudos to Vice President Aquacross for a job well done. We are so organized. This occasion was working for our able president who has just passed away. I'm very happy to see things are moving very well. For the past months, he's been coming here, we have been coming here, we have been putting our heads together, and today our team is the success. I say again, thank you for the Vice President of Aquacross. For this reason, I have to support a sum of 2,000 naira.
South.
I'm already got my name. Etubom was a very nice philanthropist. And it's not the time that we cannot break the occasion. South and Chirikate have their donation. Then as individual, I need to support with 2,000 naira.
Therefore, it's a cheaper of your young family. Over to you, sir. I don't go and work.
I quite will be strong. I quite will be strong. Some 5 guys are not down. We have too many nations, there are too many platforms. This is the platform now. On behalf of myself and my dear wife, I support with
Unfortunately, the Milton always go from Macau. Hello. If I saw him in Milton, you will go pick up Macau. Somebody has a gun come from where loans. Personal capacity as a attack power. Only one of the last time I job. Attack goes to the sort of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She's going. 7. I support my high chief. 1. Oh yes. 2. For the high chief. 3. I'm going with song.
no yeah, ya one people can down it body. Who will get a mobile? So you don't get
say it down a little bit. Say you. She said you. He said he has supported his law in this program.
I thank you very much. Thank you very much, God bless you.
His son, sponsored by his son, Abato, his son, Fela, his son, okay, Fela, the young, Samson, energy of the nation. On behalf of myself and my family, well, we've been doing several donations. We will still continue. Etubum Samson was a very close friend of mine. I remember last year when I buried my dad, he came in from Lagos to Rio to support me. So in that regard, that is what I said today. I will have to honor him. He's a very good friend. So we will continue to support him. So on behalf of myself and my family and members of this table, I thank and take you to this.
God bless you.
Up to now, I'm still not able to comprehend the loss of my very I remember when Mandela died. Power Becky said, I must step forward. And when Walter Cicero died, he said, I have lost my soul. In this circumstance, I have lost my brother and have went to go. Well, if a man like me that is trained to speak and talk for hours, we will continue to do whatever we can do, the needful that we can do to support so much. I will not disclose whatever I give. That by the time I get down to my house, I will not see DSS waiting for me or EFCC do the needful. And that's it.
Joe. That is making 2,000 for Muchanko. 2,000 Muchanko. And maybe I better Muchanko. You're okay. 7,000. Support Muchanko. Support Muchanko.
So, I know as you under my sister, I support her with the song 1,000 naira.
Muchanko has 3,000 in our 3,000 Muchanko.
1,000.
4,000 naira for Muchanko. I love Muchanko, no be from out. I love Muchanko, no be from out. 4,000 for Muchanko. Yes. Oh, for your master Muchanko.
Etubom. Ela support Muchanko for yaga. He told Muchanko Maba. Muchanko to be Jackson. To be ransom. Kuyanga bieru kememe. Kuyanga bieru kememe. To be Jackson.
Ebe Muchanko one in the lady.
Inaugural. Bieru kememe. Ebewa sewa. Kuyanga bieru kememe.
La 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 la. You did not mention your name, so go ahead now.
Sorry, my name is Susanna Unyiwe Samson. I am the first daughter of the deceased.
The first and the only daughter of the deceased person. Please put your hands together and also put your hand in your pocket. Come forward and support these children now. I want to see how I'm supporting both of them. And then, we should do the needful. Say, we should also do that. With a sum of 50,000 naira. I had a 49,000 naira. Thank you very much. I love. Bring 2 trays there. Bring those 2 trays. I love Etubum Samson, not before mouth. This is no more the time for speech. About any of the church show love there. Said, I am asking this one to stand up. I am asking this one to stand up. That is how we are going to run. And we will not take time. $1. Here we go. We want to lift these children up with a sum of 99,000 naira. 50,000 for God bless you, season base.
I saw.
And then you support them more 5,000 naira. God bless you, sir. 1,000, 1,000. God bless you, sir. That's 2,000 naira.
Afon Messina can be a bit my family. I'm going to be the foundation of the Amin just no part of what I'm saying so is that even Samson came to my village during the debates of the father of Ntakro, and then from that point he came to my compound, because my compound and the Ntakro compound is the same axis. He came, he did all what he knows how to do best. Please permit me to announce this money. I don't have the cash now, but if I announce, I will pay. Young man, Etubom Dr. Aban Ufro, Abasorio. Then I follow the Abi. I don't find what they did. Simicon Bakara. I'm in the Gopoke Tongeton, Mbandi Konto. Say the local name my village. I married it before. Please, because of other people. I announced 10,000 before. Please write it down. And I use this opportunity to look at the shoulder to shoulder as a Chelsea fan. And I announce 15, 25 plus 10. How do you prefer? 50,000. Before the closure of the business here, Season Best will donate the sum of 50,000 to the family.
I'm proud I'm from Etubum State. Etubum is summer. Even I'm so delighted. I'm not actually delighted to be here tonight. I just want to say, I just want to thank you so much. I just want to say, if there is something that when people see and they run away from it, we would have taken a Samson out of it. We would have bought a fattest egg drive. A fattest egg drive. Even a Etubum Dr. But it has happened, it has happened. It was an icon. I want to dedicate a song to him. He has impacted my life so much in my career as a musician. He has impacted. So I just want to tell him, Daddy, continue to rest in peace. And I want to tell the family my condolences once again. Please, Mr. DJ, please, I just want us to have a minute silence. The saddest word to say. That's why it's hard to say goodbye. Goodbye is the saddest word to say. That's why it is hard to say goodbye. And when I sit, I think of you. Our heart will never forget.
Samson. Oh, come on, show some love. Put your hands together. Put your hands together. Put your hands together. Put your hands. This was special from J-Love, my girl. First love, my girl. This was special from.
Awesome rendition. It is what marketing. We have talents. Aqua Cross is blessed. You know, we can go out there to compete with anyone from any other part of the country. Things okay. That's part of Cornell Entertainment. All right, thank you so much. Now we one thing after the other, one thing after the other. We were talking about our chapters, South, Trade Up, any other group here represented one way or the other to come forward with their donations, contributions, free will, you know, apart from our chapters that were given a target. Now, I'd like to talk particularly about that. When a Jack came out and talked about 10,000, I don't know, like I called the MC Indeed, to be very honest, if he had come at once to me, I would have said, Aja, hold on with your dance. We enjoyed your dance. Thank you very much. Thank you also for the 10,000 naira, but I don't know what that represents. Given what we communicated in Apacos, I do not know what that represents. And I did not hear the president say on Monday, like a person said on Monday, we're doing the needful. That language is very understandable. Where you know you have a target and you say, we're doing the needful. We're doing what is expected of us. We're doing what is necessary, as communicated. So Aja has not spoken to us howsoever, as far as I'm concerned. As far as Aquacos is concerned. And so I thought to clearly state that. I don't know if you take the mic and tell us exactly what he meant by 10,000 naira when we're having the balance of the money, whether it is on Sunday, which is tomorrow, or no, today, we're on Sunday already, or Monday. So we are yet to hear from Aja as far as Aquacos is concerned. And I thought I should state that very clearly. Thank you very much. Please, you help me just call the chapters one after the other. What should be solo? Yes. They are here. Yes, call others, Mikurudu, Bariga, and they are all here. Call them one after the other, please.
I want to appreciate everyone for today's gathering, and also I'm happy to be in your midst for the wake up of our late Dr. Etubum Unyiwe Samson. And also, I want to honor the National Vice President. Well done, sir, for your good work. So, may the Lord bless you. And with the Open State, by the special grace of God, we have donated part levy, and we are here to make the promise that next week we will see how to balance the remaining money. To help us and give us the strength to do so in Jesus' name. And also, I want to talk to on behalf of the Upper Cross and South people. Please, let us put things in order. And even the MC. I want to speak to MC Amado. Please, sir, I know you more than the way you know yourself. Please, let us do things accordingly so that we will move in the right path. So, by the special grace of God, Open State will try to see what we'll do next week to balance what we are owing. Thank you.
Opposed in the area of Semawe, in the area of Sepres, but Boritiere, I didn't know down in my cup. With their dirty minds, they are going to more care again. Because na yara ni na ofa